Today is our yearly celebration for sustainability.
Our theme this year is a small change makes a big difference.
All right, challenge is on. It's just a daily way of life for us.
It's definitely part of the culture, yeah.
3 years ago, our school was recognized by the U.S. Department of Education for the Green Ribbon Award.
And we have just been honoring it by doing these community cleanups every year. Come on, guys. This is our third year.
You can't find this kind of a learning opportunity in a textbook, and it's hard to replicate this any other way than getting out and just doing the work.
It's a Reese's peanut butter cup. Burger King something.
Stuff that animals can get into.
It's not helping the environment. That's why we came out here to pick that.
Helping clean up, teaching some personal responsibility for where you live and work.
Even the kids were saying, there is not as much trash as we found last year.
Good news might be that the town of Sedalia and the folks here are kind of keeping that picked up on a more regular basis.
And so that's a good thing. Maybe we're making a little bit of an impact somewhere.